This week we're making like Kate Bush and running up that hill to Pride in Viroqua. Hey everyone, it's Willow, and this week it was Caden and my first time going to Pride in Wisconsin. Now we had been to the Orlando Pride before, but this felt more like a close-knit community. It was a lot smaller, but we had a blast there. Our first stop was to go get some lo mein for Caden to eat for lunch, and it was Caden approved. I got to try some of these blue farm chips and they were really good. Now I didn't get all the names of all the booths, including this one here, so if you're part of any of the booths that I missed or didn't include social media on, please feel free to comment it below. I would like to give credit where it's due. Our friends at Driftless Books were there as well. They had all sorts of LGBTQIA+ books and pins for your enjoyment. Our friend Kat showed up with the Mississippi Valley Mayhem, which is a local roller derby team out here. There were a lot of activities for all different ages to have fun. And this booth had really cool mugs and all sorts of little earrings and jewelry pieces. They're really cool and handmade. Caden bought these mushroom earrings to go with his mushroom outfit. And then we went to say hi to our Instagram friend Jack, and we bought some cool goodies from his booth. Across the way was Trans on the Land, a southwestern Wisconsin-based group for trans, non-binary, and gender-weird folks who are interested in plants, ecology, foraging, and farming. There were also animals bringing their humans to Pride. Vernon County Historic Society was there collecting people's stories so they could include it in the local area history. And while we were checking out other people's booths, our friend Vanessa grabbed herself a cupcake. Pride makes me so proud to be part of such an amazing, beautiful group of people. I can't wait to see what year 3 brings. And just as the drag performances and music performances were starting, we actually had to leave a little early because it was getting really hot out and Caden can't be in the sun that long. But we had a blast while we were there, and I can't wait for next year. But we did get one more cool parade at the end of Pride.
Oh my goodness, it is a tractor parade.
I'm loving the Pride parade.
Other than getting off the highway and seeing cows fucking, this is the most Midwest.
Yeah, that was pretty Midwest.
Yeah.
If you're new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can follow along when I go on other roadside adventures across Wisconsin. I'll see you next week.